Hello guys, welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to write an entire book from chapter 1 to as many chapters as you want to write, and also edit it and sell on Amazon. This is going to be an amazing journey. I want you to watch this video to the end. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bar so that you can be notified when I drop new content, and make sure you like this video and share to your friends as well. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into creating our ebook using ChatGPT. Now, you already know what ChatGPT is. You already know that it is an AI tool that was developed by OpenAI. This is my own GPT dashboard. So let's just turn to it before we go into the real business. Let's say hi, good afternoon. ChatGPT is going to tell us that hello, good afternoon, how can I assist you today? Yes, this is an AI machine. Before now, you would have known how to use ChatGPT. If you do not know, just go through my channel. You would have seen a step-by-step guide on how to use the ChatGPT. But in this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to use this model, this tool, to write and edit a book from start to finish. Now, the first thing you should do is to give this machine a prompt. Now I'm going to enter these words. Hey, I want to write a book about healthy eating. Now it could be anything. It could be diet, it could be exercise, it could be marriage, it could be a book on anything at all. So, but I want to write about healthy eating. So I'll say, hey, I want to write a book on healthy eating. Let's see what it says. Alright, GPT has responded. He said that's great. Writing a book about healthy eating can be a very rewarding experience, and it can also help people live healthy lives. Where would you like to start? Now, I'm going to come back and I'm going to give it, can you give me 5 to 10 title ideas? Remember that this is a learning machine. Let's see what it's going to tell us. Now it's going to say, sure, here are 10 potential ideas. Now it's going to generate a lot of titles for your books. So let's say you think you want to write an ebook. First of all, you need a title for your ebook. So this machine has given us 10 titles for our ebook. Very amazing titles. The ultimate guide to healthy eating. How to fuel your body for optimal health. Eating healthy made easy. Simple strategies for a healthier you. The power of nutrition. A comprehensive guide to eating food for long-term health. You know, a lot of these things, and then you just pick up the title you want for your book, and that is step 1. So we move over to step 2, and then I'm going to tell the machine, can you give me the title? Alright, can you give me the title of 10 chapters of this book? So I'm going to copy this question and I'm going to come here and I'll say, can you give me the 10 chapters of this book? 10. Okay, so chapter 1 is going to be understanding fundamental nutrition. Chapter 2 is going to be the role of macronutrients in healthy diet. Chapter 3, like that, till chapter 10. Now, we've been able to generate a title for our book 1. We've been able to also generate the chapters assume that we selected number 1, the ultimate guide to healthy eating, how to fuel your body for optimal health. Now, these are going to be the chapters in our book. Okay, these are going to be the chapters in our book. So first, we've succeeded in generating a title for our book, and we've been able to generate the 10 chapters, the 10 titles of the chapters of our book. So I'm going to come back here and I'll say, can you give me the outline that represent these titles? You need to be decisive. You need to also be specific. Otherwise, the machine will generate wrong information for you. Can you give me the outline that represents the title for this? For the book? Now, can you give me the outline that represents the titles, these titles for the book? Okay, it's meant to generate a response for us. It's generating response already, so it's going to write outline for us. It's going to write an outline for us. Let's give it time. Okay, certainly. A lot of outline here. A lot of outline. There's an outline for your book on healthy eating based on the chapter titles I provided. Now there's going to be introduction, chapter 1. There's going to be understanding the fundamental. Now this is going to be chapter 1. Okay, it is writing and writing and writing and writing. All this is going to be included in your book. Now it has generated beautiful. Certainly, here is an outline for your book. Your healthy eating based on the chapter titles I provided earlier. 1. Introduction. The importance of healthy eating. What readers can expect to learn from the book. Number 2, understanding the fundamentals of nutrition, the 6 essential nutrients, how they contribute to healthy overall health, recommend daily intakes. Number 3, the role of macronutrients for a healthy diet. Now, I'm going to come back here and I am going to say, can you look deeper into those outlines and write it even more thoroughly? Like I said, this is an AI machine. It is very intelligent. You have to be more intelligent as a person to be able to operate it very well. Now, we're asking it to look deeper. And now it says certainly. Here as more detailed version of outline of your book. So it's writing a more detailed and deep outline for our book. Now it's going to write already, if you following what we already have, you would have gotten well over 50 pages from what has just happened. If you maximize it very well, you would have gotten well over 50 pages from what has just happened, and that is enough. That is already so much for somebody writing content. Okay, but let's see how much GPT can help us. Let's see how much GPT can help us. So we allow it to write and write and write and write. Now it's even giving us conclusions. All right. So I'm going to come back here and I'll say, can you go ahead and write chapter 1 following the outline you gave above? Now this is like the last stage of this project. you have to be very, very intelligent. Can you go ahead? Let's see. Can you go ahead and write chapter 1 following the outline you gave above? Okay, let's see. Sure, here is an example of chapter 1. So it's writing our chapter 1. At the end of the day, you do not have to do anything. You do not have to do anything. You just have to sit back and watch this book. Do your homework. You watch ChatGPT. Do your homework. Now you're going to do this for every single chapter of this book. Okay, so it has written chapter 1. All right, it has written chapter 1. So you can just copy this question and then paste it here, and then you have to change this to chapter 2. Okay, can you go ahead and write chapter 2 following the outline you gave above? Now it's going to also write chapter 2 for us, the fundamentals of nutrition. Now this is how you repeat for every single chapter of this book. Now when you're done, you are able to copy everything and paste it on a Word document. You can paste it on an editor, you can paste it on your document file, you can paste it anywhere, and then from there you go on to the next stage. So what is the next stage? I've just written chapter 1 and 2. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to copy from here. Let me just copy from here. I'm going to copy all this. I'll copy it and I'll go to my Word document. Right here, I'm going to paste everything that I have copied. Everything that I've copied is going to be pasted here, and then I'll remove the things that I do not want. For example, I have copied everything, including the questions I asked the machine, including the questions I asked OpenAI. I've copied virtually everything. So right now I'm going to be editing it. I'll be removing the questions, my own side of the questions, and I'll be using another machine, or rather another technology, another website, if you want to use that word, to edit this particular document. So let me just take you to that quickly. You would have asked yourself, what is this website I am talking about? This website will help you to make this work look original. It will help you to edit this particular thing that GPT has written for you, and then it becomes easy for you to use it. Like, it becomes easy for you to use it without machine or websites detecting that it was written by a machine. So the name of that website, without wasting much of your time, is Word AI. Word AI. When you open Word AI, what you do is that you can see is a text rewriter. Okay, Word AI is a text rewriter. So you would open Word AI. If you don't have an account, you can create an account. There's a free version, and then you can paste what you copied from ChatGPT. Paste it here. It is going to rewrite what ChatGPT has written. Remember, the idea is to write a book. Yes, you are not the one that wrote it. You are not the one that's going to edit it. Now you can outsource it to human editors to edit it for you, but Word AI helps you to rewrite it. And then from there, you can upload it on Amazon and you make sales. As a matter of fact, I've used this technique to write so many ebooks and they are selling very well on Amazon. If you want to know how to publish your books on Amazon after writing them with ChatGPT, you can drop your comments in the comment section and I will make a video regarding that. Okay, I'm going to make a video regarding that and I will put the video out there to help everyone who wants to learn how to use Amazon to sell their ebooks.